Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to write ice cream scoop color's name. Let's start. Colors. Fill in the ice cream scoop with the correct colors. Look at the first ice cream scoop. Green color. Green, green. Green color. Green, green. Green color ice cream scoop. Look at the next picture. Purple. Purple, purple color. Purple, purple color ice cream scoop. Purple color. Look at the next picture. Blue, blue ice cream scoop. Blue, blue color. Blue color ice cream scoop. Blue, blue. Red, red color. Red color ice cream scoop. Red, red color. Pink, pink, pink color. Pink color ice cream scoop. Pink color. White, white, white color. White color. White color ice cream scoop. Yellow, yellow, yellow color. Yellow color. Yellow color ice cream scoop. Orange, orange color. Orange color ice cream scoop. Well done kids, you are doing great. Let's repeat again. Green, green, green color. Purple, purple, purple color. Blue, blue, blue color. Red, red color. Pink, pink color. White, white color. Yellow, yellow color. Orange, orange color. Well done kids, you're doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.